ये रहने दे रहा है ऑल ऑफ यू नेहा जी यहाँ पर ऑल ऑफ यू राइट साइड
राइट टू लेफ्ट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट और लेफ्ट टू राइट
काय बोलते होते यहाँ पे महिमा जी सेंटर महिमा जी आपके राइट महिमा जी सामने जी आपके राइट जामी जी यहाँ पर जामी जी यहाँ पर सेंटर 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 में नाउ सेंटर में ऑल ऑफ यू राइट सेंटर सेंटर राइट साइड सेंटर हो गया राइट सेंटर सेंटर ऑल ऑफ यू सेंटर या नेहा जी सोलो कर दिया अभी अरे एक मिनट एक्सक्यूज मी नेहा जी एक सोलो अच्छा ऊपर्यंत जरा तुम्ही सोलो पिक्चर बोलतो ना अरे बाजूला प्लीज यहाँ पे देखिए महिमा जी ऑल ऑफ यू राइट यामी महिमा जी
ज्वेलरी लेके आ रहे हैं ज्वेलरी के साथ फोटो
ये पहले राइट से देखने को बोलिए महिमा जी
आप एक 1 सेकंड
राइट से लेफ्ट आराम से Come close to it. Come close. महिमा जी सामने आ नेहा जी नेहा जी महिमा जी नेहा जी यहाँ पे all of you right here one individual please
rest of the jury is joining should we go
काय पळतंय मध्ये सेंटर लुक सोलो पाहिजे सांगितल्याबद्दल म्हणलं आपला आभार चलो दादाने गिफ्ट केलं थँक्यू चलो बाय थोड़ा साथ में हेलो भाई साहब क्यों आया है
you guys know you can't print that right know that
चलो यार इंडिविजुअल कर दे
okay thank you
नाउ सोलो अरे एक्सक्यूज मी नम्रता नम्रता मैडम थोड़ा महिमा जी थोड़ा थोड़ा लाइट घुमा दो ना थोड़ा पीछे महिमा जी सामने से महिमा जी बस नेहा जी लेफ्ट नेहा जी लेफ्ट नेहा जी यहाँ पे नेहा जी थोड़ा लेफ्ट नेहा लेफ्ट नेहा नेहा
नेहा जी
this side now.
नेहा जी सेंटर पे गया
नेहा जी लेफ्ट साइड. नेहा जी लेफ्ट. नेहा जी यहाँ पे. नेहा जी यहाँ पे. नेहा जी स्ट्रेट. नेहा जी
एक्सक्यूज मी एक साथ करते ना अच्छा करो 2 मिनट लगा रहे
डायमंड आई थिंक वर्थ बट ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक हर लड़की को ज्वेलरी बहुत पसंद है और खास करके डायमंड क्योंकि बहुत कम में फिर भी बहुत it's not very bulky, it's not very blingy, but I think it's very classy, it's very chic, and that's what I personally also like. So you don't have to wear too much of jewelry to look, I think, gorgeous. So diamond in very little space, I think it just creates a statement.
So out of this we can make out that you are a great jewelry fan, and being a judge you have to select few of the jewelry. So how tough was it and how easy was it for you?
I think it was very tough. First of all, I think it was a great privilege to be a part of the jury. But it was very tough also because I think there's some great designs. I think some amazing jewelry designers across the country have sent in their entries and to judge it in different categories, be it heritage, be it couture, be it color diamonds. I think there's so much range when you come out on this platform, you get to know there's so much variety out here for every kind of consumer. So I think it was very difficult, but it's great fun also.
यमी आफ्टर विकेट ओनर क्या चल रहा है
क्या चल रहा है? काम चल रहा है.
काम चल रहा है
I just finished shooting for Aman Kiasha, that's opposite Ali Zafar. It comes from Neeraj Pandey's production house. And then the third one will be directed by Prabhu Sir, Mr. Prabhu Deva, that's opposite Ajay Devgan. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Of course, हम इसलिए करते हैं ताकि to achieve something and to celebrate that achievement ये awards बनाए जाते हैं. And retail jeweler award जो है वो इस industry का jewelry and gem industry है उसका the most respectable and honored, highly honored award. And I'm very, I think, fortunate that I'm a part of the jury. मैं endorse कर रही हूँ नजराना ज्वेलरी. नजराना ज्वेलरी is the flagship Indian initiative by Rio Tinto Diamonds. Rio Tinto Diamonds are one of the biggest producers of diamonds across the world. Subscribe ले रही थी. Are we done with the bite?
हाँ भाई
Okay. Are we supposed to be doing all this? Subscribe? No, such
one second
No.
this only taking ID
Hello guys, I'm Sasha and you're watching Fortune. Today I'm standing with a very gorgeous buffet from Yamika. How are you doing? I'm good. Yami, tell me a little about this award function that you did for today. How excited are you in terms of jewelry? How much of jewelry is it?
Today we go for retail jewelry award. And I think it's a big honor for me to be part of the jury. When now do it like that, do it at the back.
अभी ये ना these two नहीं ये सब खत्म कर लेते हैं ना वो कर दो नहीं these two only ना हाँ I'll do this really fast I'll do this really fast I'll write at the back maybe at the back then you write the whole track maybe I can go zoom actually That's also diamond. There are two counters for that. This finger, this finger.
Not this one. I can't wear it.
No, this comes this side. So
Nice. It's a little finger ring, so
it comes to here.
it's nice. And this is just,
Yeah, parrot.
I'm not sure if this is worthy of number one. I think I got carried away.
The more you see, the
No,
more
I can't
confusion.
find my number one at this time. I like the shoulder piece a lot. But I think it's cool. It's innovative, right? It doesn't have to be anything else. I'm very confused by this one. The snake slash dragon. Can't make out whether this is dragon or a snake.
We need a photograph of yours.
Yeah, are they there?
Yes.
Yes, all of you look at the camera, please. One more. Smile little bit, all of you. Stay closer. हट जाओ, पीछे से हट जाओ. Stay close to it. दोस्त चेयर ले लीजिए चेयर
Mind blowing. This is Anmol, I'm sure.
I think it entirely depends on the jewelry. Jewelry, no matter what you're wearing, where you're going, क्या occasion है, you know, Indian है, Western है. Jewelry is always something that's everlasting. I think for every woman, like they say, diamonds are a girl's best friend. I know we've heard this many times before, but we never get tired of saying it.
So can you just please tell something about your jewelry you are carrying and the attire you
Well, these are emeralds, and I just thought that it would be great to wear emeralds with something black. And clearly today I'm here for Retail Jewelers India's, you know, the 2013. We're here as the jury, so I wanted to wear some jewelry for sure. On a daily basis, I don't wear that much jewelry because, you know, you always think that you want to save your jewelry for the best occasions, but this is a great occasion to wear jewelry and come to because I'm here as a judge, judging some of the most beautiful pieces that have been made over the last 1 year in the country. And India as a country is known for the amount of jewelry women love to wear, and whether you're happy, sad, whether there's a festival or whether there's a birthday or whether there's anything, jewelry is always something that is the first thing that a woman decides, and then she decides how to dress after that.
There are many pieces of jewelry here, and you being a judge, is it difficult or easy for you to?
I have to say this is very difficult. I mean, coming here and, you know, when people say, oh, judging something is easy, it's actually not. It's really, really difficult because, you know, these pieces have already been shortlisted from a huge number of entries that have come. There's a huge amount of responsibility. You don't know which jeweler has presented which piece. People, it's very secretive. You don't know what you're judging on except the category. So you have to go with blind faith in your understanding of jewelry, in the fact that the brief given to us is how much innovation there is, how much aesthetic there is, and, you know, how wearable the piece is. So you have to just imagine yourself wearing the piece, and that's why they have different people from different walks of life to come here and judge different pieces of jewelry.
Last year also you were here.
Yes.
So how much as a judge you have evolved?
Well, how much have I evolved? The last time I came, I didn't eat breakfast. This time I made sure I ate breakfast and came because I knew it's going to be a long day. That's how much I've evolved. Thank you.
Vipul,
Yes, yes.
subscribe Lehre TV. Subscribe Lehre TV.
ये तो ऐड हो गई.
Please.
Subscribe नहीं बोल सकते.
Lehre TV. I can say you're watching me on, okay? Hi everyone, this is Neha Dhupia and you're watching me on Lehre TV. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
Looking great.
Thank
So
you.
What do you think about the jewelry as a fashion statement?
As a fashion statement, I think some of the pieces that I have seen here, I think you don't need the entire set. You just need one piece. It could be just the earrings or just the bangle. And I like it when jewelry is like that. I don't like, first of all, carrying so much and then wearing so much. And yes, jewelry definitely not from now. It has always made a statement. It shows, it's a great depiction of your wealth. That's why during weddings people adorn and they put the entire jewelry that they own on themselves. It's a great way of showing your wealth. It's a great way of showing your security, your uniqueness. The more unique the piece, then in terms of tradition, when you inherit jewelry and you wear heritage jewelry, it looks khandani. So all of that, yeah, it does make several statements. The kind of jewelry that you pick also speaks about the person that you are, whether you're gaudy or whether you are understated, whether you are an exhibitionist. So it makes many, many statements.
Which is that jewelry without which you cannot go out?
A must for me. I don't know if you will call it a jewelry, but it's a little miraculous medal which was given to me by my principal mother, Damien. And now it's come off the hook, but I keep it in my wallet. And I'm just superstitious about it, and that's my biggest piece of jewel that I have and I carry around with me.
यहाँ पे थोड़ा देखिए, कहा जाता है कि डायमंड जो है वो एक लड़की के बेस्ट फ्रेंड होते हैं। तो आपके कितने बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं डायमंड?
मेरे तो खोते रहते हैं डायमंड्स. I don't think they're my best friends. I lose them a lot. And they say it's lucky to lose gold and to find gold, but I don't know what it is about diamonds. But yeah, definitely, I guess it's a form of security. So I guess that's why it's called your friend, because in times of need, a friend in need is a friend indeed, and that's where I think the diamond got its tagline from. Yeah, I guess in that way you could.
यहाँ पे बहुत सारी पीसेस पड़ी हैं, तो कितना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है इतने अच्छे पीसेस में से आपको बेस्ट चूज करना?
I think जो इनसे गाइडलाइंस मिलती है, that is a great help, because straight away जब आप इतनी सारी ज्वेलरी आइटम्स देखते हैं तो एक पिक करना is very difficult. So उन लोगों ने सेगमेंट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया है. विवाह ज्वेलरी अलग है, मतलब शादी के लिए, और कुछ और ज्वेलरी अलग है, जेम्स ज्वेलरी अलग है. तो उस सेगमेंट में एक पिक करना इज़ अ लॉट मोर ईजियर. और आपके साथ 9 डिस्टिंग्विश्ड पीपल और भी हैं जो दिमाग लड़ा रहे हैं कि उनके हिसाब से कौन सा अच्छा है. सो इन दैट वे इट बिकम्स लेस प्रेशर. But it's definitely nicer because when we see it on the computer, when you see it on net, you can't really tell how big the size is. From what I saw and from what I see now, like a 3D and like a physical evaluation, there's a lot of difference. So I really enjoy this whole thing of looking at it personally, trying it on, and you feel nice. I like that process.
You can see the excitement.
Yeah.
इवेंट से हट के बात करते हैं, आप फिल्मों में कब नजर आ रही हैं?
Very soon. Let's see.
थोड़ा कुछ फैंस आपका
नहीं मतलब yes, I hope this year and इतनी सारी स्क्रिप्ट्स तो होती नहीं है जिसमें से आप चूज करो, बट ये माइंड मेकअप करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि yes, now this year from whatever I get, उसमें से मतलब जितनी खराब है उसमें से लेस खराब I'll pick and I'll do, that's what you have to do.
कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है एक बार फिर से बड़े पर्दे पे आना?
सबके लिए डिफिकल्ट नहीं होता. कभी कभी जब आप उस टाइम पे वापस ट्राई करते हैं तो अपना शेड्यूल से हट के वापस आना इज़ अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट. प्लस लोगों को अंडरस्टैंड करना, ओह या वी कुड अप्रोच सो एंड सो इज़ डिफिकल्ट, बट वंस यू मेक दैट ब्रेक थ्रू आई गेस इट्स ईजियर. सो it just depends on the circumstances. Sometimes it gets difficult, sometimes not so. मेरे चैनल का नाम बोल दो.
You're watching Lehre TV.
Hi, this is Mahima Chaudhary and you're watching Lehre TV. Keep watching.